Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today lesson is parts of speech. Colors names. Listen carefully and speak with me so that end of lesson you are able to understand our lesson. First color is red. R-E-D red. R-E-D red. Green. G-R-E-E-N. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Blue. B-L-U-E. B-L-U-E. Red, green, blue. Purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. P-I-N-K. Pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. White. W-H-I-T-E. W-H-I-T-E. Gray. G-R-E-Y. G-R-E-Y. Purple. Pink. White. Gray. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Brown. B-R-O-W-N. B-R-O-W-N. Black. B-L-A-C-K. B-L-A-C-K. Yellow, brown, black.